Zoom. Oh, we did water. A bowl of water. Alright, we're gonna need some pad too. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it's warm, hot, or cold. Alright, so whatever we have in the sink that's what we're gonna get, okay? Okay. Hot and cold. Oh, sorry. That's not good with me. Did I even see that? Okay, let me go get the water. And that, of course. So we don't make a big mess. Okay. Well, hold on. Let me move my notebook first so it don't get wet. Oh, we don't want to get wet. We don't want her to get wet too. This is gonna be a wet project. Okay. Okay. This one? Okay. Ooh. Oh, yeah? I see the bag. Hold on. Oh, wow. It's a revealing thing, huh? So we put the whole bag in there? That's it? All right. Let's see if we can get this to stand up. So. Oh. All right. Ready? Whoa. dang it. Come on, stand, camera. Cooperate with us. Okay. Ready? Drop it. You can't see? Let's see. Can you see it now? Shake it a little bit. Here. Oopsies, not too much. Ooh, it's like it melted. It's waving. It's a wave. I did. Okay, make sure it's not gonna spill. You will grab it? Okay. Let's see if we can grab it. It's trying to not want to be grabbed. Ooh, it's slimy. Okay, let's wipe it. Rinse it off. Ooh, yuck. It is slimy. Ew. All right. Now I gotta wash your hands too, huh? Okay. It is slimy. Where is it? Hold on. We're getting your water. All right. Okay, you got the slime out. And ta-da! Can you see? Can you get it close to the camera? Move it out of the way. No, how about we gonna put it in the background or no? Where'd you go, Buttercup? Okay, got it? Okay. Oh. Buttercup, fly away. We're gonna open the egg too. It don't need water, does it? Okay. I didn't hear it. You want to put bubbles here? Okay. Want to put it here? I did not hear that part. I only heard the water part. Ooh. Oh, that is hard. What the heck is that? Turn it around. It is hash browns. How the heck would you open this thing? I know. It is kind of difficult too. Maybe we need a, holy cow. Scissors maybe? Yeah, hold on. Let me get the scissors. You've never seen this toy before, huh? First time. Okay. They always come up with new toys, don't they? Okay. I guess we have to peel it. Okay. Got a hold of it? Yeah, that's one part. Now we're undressing it. Okay, got that part? Undressed the egg. Humpty Dumpty's naked now. Here comes the toy, and ta-da! All kinds of stuff in there. Oh, now we gotta put it together, huh? It looks like Mr. Ooh, what is this? It's the let's see, the eyes, and the mouth, and the nose, and oh, Mr. Ice Cream Man looks like. I don't know what this is. It looks like it requires glasses. Ah, there's the head of the ice cream. Let's see, what else do we have here? I think that's it. And that's the hand. And that's the face. And this is the hands. Let's see. How the heck you're supposed to do that? Let's see the picture. And Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head. So why is Mr. Potato Head an ice cream man? Huh? Is that how it's supposed to be? I don't look like Mr. Potato Head there. Ah, okay. So that's how you do it right there, I think. Well, this is what we got, Mr. Ice Cream Man. What do you think? Oh my goodness, I need some glasses, Ave. There's no instruction on how to put Mr. Humpty Dumpty together again. Well, let me get my glasses, okay? Kiki, help. I need something to see. Hold on. Okay. Yep, that is Mr. Ice Cream Man, I think, right? Let's see. I think there's another. Ah, duh. I think it's supposed to be like that. And, right? And there we go. And then, we need to put that on the bottom. Alright, now you get to put the head, or the face, rather. Okay, got it? Ta-da! There it is. So far. And now the hat. Where is that dang hat? There it is. Is that hat? I think, right? We're building Mr. Potato Ice Cream hat. Ta-da! And then, and now the hands. Here's the hands, Mr. Builder, Mrs. Builder, Miss Builder. And where's the other hand? Okay. Open and shut. Oh, sorry. I can't stop singing. Ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da! That's Mr. Potato Ice Cream Head. In the background now? Alright, let's see. Come on, mister. No, that's not Bubbles, is it? Is that? Oh, okay. Yeah, I remembered. Now I do. Alright, let's get all of this trash here in the background too. Okay. Buttercup in the background. Stop it.